Hey guys, Matt Smallbone from Forest River FR3. I want to show you how your main control panel works and what all of these buttons do. So starting at the top here, you're going to see readouts for your tanks. So you can actually go down the list here for all of your different tanks and you can actually see how full these are. Right now these are all empty, so they are reading out as empty, but you can quickly see how full your black tank is just by pressing that button. Below that, you're going to see your water heater. This is just how you activate it right there, just the on switch. Next to it will be your water pump. Likewise, your generator, as I mentioned before, you can start and stop your generator here as well as prime it. This is your Arctic package, so that will be the 12-volt tank heaters. Just to activate that is just by pressing that button. Down here is going to be your generator readout. So that's your generator hours. It'll show how many hours the generator has been ran. Next to this over here, this is going to be your slide out operating system. So very simple to operate as well. You do have two buttons here. You'll have an in for bringing your slide outs in, and then an out right next to it to bring those slide outs out. Vice versa for the one below. This unit does have two slide outs in it, so you'll see two different areas for those slide outs.